Hello, this is Dr. John Chen from Hong Kong. I'm a naturopathic doctor in Hong Kong. I have been marketing online for the last 16 years or so, and I have found it to be so fascinating that I truly believe everyone should be marketing online, not going online to be a consumer only, but also to be a producer, to be someone who makes money from the online marketing scenario. And I find it so exciting and fascinating that I love to share with you all the things that I know about how to make affiliate marketing work. Affiliate marketing is a very easy modality for anyone to get into, and making money from affiliate marketing is whole lot easier than anyone can imagine. And therefore, I would highly suggest those of you who are not started yet, those of you who are always wanting to get started making money online, those of you who love to make some passive income, just please follow my instructions, because my advice and instructions are very concise and precise. No BS, from the heart, only telling you all those things that work. And because it's very important to listen to me, as I have been around for all these years, been there, done that, committing all the mistakes, wasting all my money, a lot of money. My wife told me that I have wasted over 200,000 US dollars all these years, just mucking around, going for the wild goose chase, thinking, oh, this is like, the new shiny object coming out. I then would love to, take advantage of it. Before you know it, cheap products, high ticket products, they're all gonna fail you unless you do what I would suggest you to do. So, in the upcoming days, I'll be sharing my secrets with you. Please sign up to the link down below this video so that we can keep in touch. And I'll tell you many things, such as who to trust, what marketers' products are good to get, and what marketers advise. Because there are a lot of good people online, although I'm sorry to say, a lot of no heart marketers. They're there just to make you buy the products, and you buy every one of the products. You are wasting all your time, money, and the so-called opportunity cost, because you wasted all your energy there without being able to go for the ultimate goal that you have in mind. So, here I am going to be sharing with you all the things that I find useful. No BS, from my heart. Okay? So let's keep in touch. Please sign up to my link below there, below this video. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.